So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate a random face online that does not exist in real life, that you can use for your projects or for training some models, some AI models. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for in the fresh page, search for this person does not exist without giving space. Once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you, and it has generated a image, and this person is totally generated by AI. This person does not exist, so that you can use this image and you can even refresh it multiple times, and it will produce some new faces each time, and all of these faces do not exist in real life. You can even change the other details as well, and just simply hit refresh image and it will produce a AI face for you that even does not even exist. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.